Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I will be reviewing the i-Blason ArmorBox case in black for your Z Fold 7. I need to give a shout out to i-Blason for sending this case out to me for review. I will have the links in the description. You can pick it up from their website or Amazon and make your own decision on what color you want to pick up. Like we normally do in my reviews, we make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? Also, we'll make sure you get camera protection, lip protection, the overall fit of the case, does it add bulk, just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. Nice packaging from them. I don't know when the other videos will drop, but I did one of their other cases, and I mentioned that this box reminds me of my New Orleans Saints. Black and gold, baby. All the way to the Super Bowl. Okay, maybe not this year, but it does remind me of the Saints there. Nice packaging from them. I hope they don't change their colors. So, let's see what you get in this bad box here. Now, this is very similar to the Subcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, but it's the Armor box from i-Blason. So it's a little bit different, but similar case. It has a built-in screen protector, but they use tempered glass for the screen protector. Bam. So this inside material is felt. I like that grip there too. You have the little kickstand too. I didn't know that. So, bam. This case right here, I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to add bulk. This is a case that if you're outside working, you want to put this case on. You want to put this case on if you work outside or if you do a lot of hiking. This is the case you want to have on your phone, because it's going to give you the protection. Yes, it may add a little bulk to your phone, but that's okay because it's not going to break if you drop it. And that's what you need if you work outside a lot. Or if you drop your phone a lot too, pick up one of these cases. So the first thing I noticed when I was putting this together is the grip you have on the sides here. And it feels great. It's solid. I'm not going to drop the phone. I'm not going to drop the phone at all. So I love the grip. The power button is easy to get to. Same thing with the volume rockers. You have some camera protection there. Look at the lip protection you have. Even if you took off the built-in screen protector, you have a lot. Everything lines up at the bottom there. Everything lines up on the top. If you open it up, yes, it covers your display a little bit. But let's check out the kickstand too. If you want it like that, you can. If you want to watch videos like this, maybe like this too. So you have a couple angles you can use your phone and use this kickstand. So that's good. The hinge protection is there. Does it add bulk? Yes, this is going to add some bulk and weight. Now, again, this phone is so skinny, so thin, and also doesn't weigh as much as the Z Fold 6. So it just brings it to about the 6, or maybe even a 5. It's not like super big, like a big phone now, but it does add some bulk to it. But you have that protection, like, oh man, that hurt. You have that protection with this case, so you wouldn't be fearful of dropping it and getting it hurt. So opening the case, closing it. I don't see the pieces moving. And then you heard the snap. This does not have MagSafe on it. See, no MagSafe. Can you wireless charge though? Oh, it was there. Yes, you can wireless charge without any problems. Oh, wait, it stopped. Hold on. Yes, you can wireless charge without any problems there. It is definitely doing it. I thought it turned off, but so you can wireless charge. So this case checks off a lot of boxes for certain people. You have a lot of protection here. You have camera protection, lip protection, everything lines up. You have the built-in screen protection. You have almost drop protection here. Hinge protection. So the key word for this one is protection. You have a lot of it. It does add some bulk, so I don't know if I could use this case every single day, you know, because I don't like a bulky, super bulky case. But when I'm go hiking or something, if I'm working construction, I will pick up this case and use it. So this will be in my arsenal forever because I do like going outside, walking. My daughter loves to walk in the park, so, or trails around my area. So I'll definitely be rocking this or the Subcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, because you have that protection, and it's a $2,000 phone. You want to protect your beautiful investment. So yeah, it has a lot of things going for it, and the kickstand is great too. So if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. And if you don't like the bulky case, they have the Cosmo case that I reviewed a couple days ago that you can pick up also. So more options that they have on their website. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. Later, y'all. Peace. I'm out of here.